everyone. Today we're going to be making some chicken tenders 2 different ways. We're going to be using our air fryer to cook the chicken. If you don't have an air fryer, don't worry. In the description below, I will give you directions on how to do it, whether it's deep frying on the stove or baking in the oven. All right, let's get started. So right here we have like a basic, so our basic dredging ingredients. I'm just going to move this a little closer as well as our chicken. We have all-purpose flour, some panko breadcrumbs, and 2 eggs I have not cracked yet. So I'm going to season our flour with a little smoked paprika. A good amount, actually. I like smoked paprika. Some pepper. And some salt. Awesome. Just going to take a fork and just kind of mix it all together, right? So we get everything nice and well combined. Next, I'll crack the eggs. Move this over here. We'll whisk those up as well. Take this out, actually. 1, 2. In my hands. Right, let's actually move you a little bit closer down. See, actually, we've got some egg. Clean that up. Get another fork and just whisk these eggs. All right, we have our egg mixture done. And then right here we just have some panko breadcrumbs. They're plain. I chose panko because they're super crispy. They're going to give the chicken a nice crispy texture. Okay. All right, so we're going to open up our chicken and we are going to get to dredging. As we've done before, we know how to do this. We go flour, egg, panko. So flour. So right here is a Ninja air fryer. This is the one I have. Inside of the air fryer is a metal plate that is raised above the air frying plate. So what I'm gonna do, let me grab my spray. Let's have a little canola oil cooking spray. Is I'm going to spray this just in case it sticks. It probably won't, but just in case. We have this nice and sprayed. So what I'm going to do is make sure I don't crowd them and they're all in one layer, which means we might have to do double batches, 2 batches, which is fine. Let's go 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we got about 4. We lay it down in here and we are going to turn on our air fryer onto air fry, which is the automatic temperature for 390, which is fine. We're going to go to time. It starts at 20 minutes. That's too much. And we're going to do 10 minutes. And check it out after 10. So let's hit start. So that's going and that's loud. We're gonna be making our sauces to go on these tenders, and then we're gonna throw the tenders back in and get them crispy with the sauce. So the first one we're gonna do is a barbecue and buffalo sauce combo. My cousin told me about this the other day. So we're gonna try it out. So let's move you down. These are, this is super easy. Cool. So what we're gonna do, we have this bowl right here. Shake our barbecue sauce. And we are just gonna squeeze, I don't know, maybe 1/4 of a cup of it in there. Barbecue sauce, we're gonna open up the, whoops, buffalo and do about the same amount, so about 1/4 of a cup. So let me get my whisk. So I have my little baby whisk. We have these two. We're not even gonna cook it because like I said, we're going to put this directly on these tenders that are crisping up right now and throwing them back in. So they will warm up in the air fryer. All right, awesome. Sauce number 1, done. So let's move you back over here. So our next one, second sauce for the second batch is going to be a stone ground Dijon mustard honey sauce, aka honey mustard, the best. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shake this mustard. I have stone ground Dijon, do whatever you like. This is just what I like. And we're just gonna squeeze it out again, probably about 1/4 of a cup. Next, I have some good honey here. We are going to hope it comes out normally. So let's try this with the honey. Let's move you down. Oh yeah. Ugh. It's a little crystallized, but that's okay. It's just sugar. All right, so that's probably a little bit less than 1/4 of a cup, but it's so sweet. So let's actually stir this in together. Okay, I'm gonna give this one a taste. Ooh, that's awesome. So the Dijon gives it a little spice with the honey. All right, so we got our honey mustard and we have our buffalo barbecue. Let's take a look, see how they're going. Let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, nice and crispy. Nice and crispy. You don't even need to flip them, which is nice about the air fryer. So we have about 2 minutes and 43 seconds left. I'm actually gonna take them out probably 2 minutes so we can brush them with the sauce and then throw them back in. So 30 more seconds there. We have our brush. We don't need this whisk anymore. And we are just going to be lazy and brush them right on after we pause the air fryer. I'm actually gonna have to reuse this because I only have one pastry brush, so we'll clean it after and then we'll throw in the next batch. It's about 8 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we'll hit pause here. Oops, pause. Now let's see if I can get a really good angle of me brushing these on. Oh baby, let's move it around. Basically want it to be like in it. Can you see that? So let's take some of our barbecue. Oh yeah. And we're gonna be very generous with this. Okay, very generous because we want it to really have that buffalo barbecue taste. Okay, so we can see these are nice and saucy. We'll throw them back in for the rest of the 2 minutes. So when we take these out, we're just gonna throw them on a plate, let them cool down, throw in the next batch. So I'll be back in a minute and we will do that. All right, we're back. First batch is done, so I am going to take these babies out. Just throw them on a plate here. They smell unreal. So now we are going to, I know we missed it last time, we're gonna put on the rest. So let me actually turn this back on. Let's go here. This is already hot from the other batch. Oh, you can't even see me doing this. Here you go. I know I didn't show you as I laid them on, but here they are. So I got a chickeny hand here, yuck. So we do an air fry, 390. We're gonna do about 11 minutes and we're gonna hit start. Those look amazing. So you know what, while we wait, because I can't wait, I'm gonna try a little piece. Actually gonna use a fork because they're probably messy. Oh yeah. So let's. My phone went flying off the tripod, but still recording. These are so good. The honey barbecue and the buffalo, great combo. Now I'm excited to have the honey mustard ones next. So we have about 45 seconds left. Oh yeah. Before we sauce up our tenders and go for the saucing. So I'm actually gonna stop it early because they're looking nice and crispy and brown. So let's get you a pause. So we have our, does not want to get that close. We have our honey mustard sauce, so we're gonna do the same thing like we did with the other ones, and we're just going to sauce it on as best as we can. So we have our mustardy and honey mustard tenders going back in. Boom. Now we wait, and I will be back again to eat these tenders. All right. So we have about 40 seconds to go until these guys are coming out. So I wanted to take this opportunity to thank everybody for all of your support, your messages, your comments, your likes. I really, really, really appreciate it. If you know anyone that would like to watch these videos or you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe. There is a box in all videos in the corner. Along with that, you don't need a YouTube account to subscribe. I always thought you needed one, but you don't, as long as you have a Gmail or some kind of a Google account. I have Gmail, so I'm not sure if there are other ones. But yes, please like, comment, subscribe. Every single one I like, smile, and all the views. It makes me so happy. So thank you guys so much. Now our tenders are done. So we have our tenders here. We're gonna just throw these on the plate with our barbecue ones. You can't see me doing it. Whew, I kind of lifted up some of the coating with these turners, but that's okay. All right, ready to see? Look at this. Look at this beautiful plate of tenders. I know we're missing one of the barbecue buffalo. I already ate it. So now we're gonna try our mustard and honey, aka honey mustard. So let's cut some off. Going in. So good. So that was chicken tenders 2 ways. These are not boneless wings, they're chicken tenders. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Thinking about doing turkey burgers, not sure yet. Might need Melissa to help, so you might get to have her in the video because she makes the best turkey burgers and I don't want to take credit. All right, thanks again, guys. Bye.